They use their mouths as a mobile nursery. It's a safe haven where the fry can stay until danger has passed. When the coast is clear, she releases them. This kind of behaviour starts when the cichlid female picks up her newly laid eggs and holds them in her mouth to keep them safe. During spawning, her mate flashes his yellow tail spots to encourage her to keep laying. As each batch of eggs emerges, she scoops them up. But this couple are being watched by cuckoo catfish. They work as a gang and devour as many cichlid eggs as they can find. Then, in the middle of all this activity, one of the catfish also spawns. The cichlid mother collects every egg she can see. Now, by herself, she must wait while the eggs in her mouth develop. She doesn't eat throughout that entire time. But 18 days later, something is not right. The female blows out her young before they're fully ready to emerge. And they are followed by young cuckoo catfish. 3 times the size of her own babies. She may have as many as 6 of them in her mouth. And now they begin to eat the cichlid babies. The female cichlid treats the baby catfish as if they were hers. They are truly cuckoos among fish.